mute there on the 8th fret of the A, and our ring finger on the 10th fret of the B from that chord. Then we're going to take our index finger onto the 8th fret of the E string now, and our middle finger, you can use your ring finger, middle finger, on the 9th fret of the G. And we slide to the index on the 10th fret of the low E, and middle is sliding now to the 10th fret on the G. So these two are on the same fret, while these are a half step apart. So this little do da do da do da do da is going to be the same picking pattern as we did on the first chord. So we go. And then when you'd want to do one more up here, you're going to strum that chord down to that where they're offset. So we're going from this one where they're both on the 10th fret to this one where once again we've got index on the 8th and middle finger on the 9th of the G with the A and the D muted in between. So this whole intro is just consists of 2-note harmonies. Right before it starts over again, we're going to hit this one more time, which is the 8th fret of the E string. So it's going to be a little slide down, which comes from, I think I'm really only hearing that note by itself. And when you slide into that, the little trick you hear is a little from this chord, which is just a pull off between the 12 and the 10 on the G string. So far,